Hey, what's up all stars? My name is Nesh and welcome to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful and blessed day. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about what to do and what not to do if you're thinking about selling on Amazon. I also attached a PDF file in the description so you guys can go ahead and download it and use it for your own personal needs. So without further ado guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into my screen. I broke down a few points that I thought were important for you guys to know. If you're thinking or debating about starting this Amazon business in 2020, I know we're all going through a difficult time and you really want to invest your money into something that's going to work. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to break down what to expect if you are thinking about selling on Amazon. So the first point on what to do and what not to do on selling on Amazon is do not take shortcuts. I have a story about taking shortcuts and it was not a happy story. I lost quite a bit of money because I thought a product was going to be good. I didn't do enough research and I just went with it, and at the end of the day I just lost money. The second point is to take your time. Take your time when you're doing your product research. Take your time when you're breaking down your competition. Take your time when you're analyzing your market. And that's just important things that you guys have to take into consideration when you're starting this business, is to take your time. Do not try to rush things. Do not try to take shortcuts. The third point is don't sell whatever product you think is good. I remember when this whole pandemic happened, my dad suggested me that we sold face masks. I was like, okay, let me look into it because I was unsure of what the policies were for Amazon. And I come to find out that it's a whole process to getting medical devices, because that's considered a medical device. It's very hard to get medical devices to be sold on Amazon because you have to go through this whole process and it takes quite a bit of time for you guys to get it approved, and it's just hectic, and I would recommend you guys not to sell medical devices. For that reason, do not sell what you think is good. Actually go ahead and analyze the product. Just try to break it down as much as you can. If it's good at the end of the day, you guys are gonna have all the tools necessary to identify if the product is good or not, and you guys are going to be able to make a more proper decision about if you should sell that product or not. The fourth point is to understand product research. Product research is one of the most important things in my opinion to understand, because without product research you guys are just jumping into the ball game without having any training. You're basically just going ahead, putting your money in this product and just hoping that it makes you money. That's not how it works. You guys have your hard-earned money in stake, and you cannot just put it in a product that you think is going to be good. You guys want to make sure that that product is bringing you money in the long run. So definitely try to understand product research to the max. I will teach you guys in future videos how to do proper product research with Helium 10. I'm going to be talking about Helium 10 in other videos. I have coupon codes for you guys, and you guys should definitely take advantage of this tool because it will help you grow your Amazon business. The fifth point is don't rush. Don't think that this is a get quick rich scheme, because it is not. I hate to say it, but it's not. I know you've probably seen some advertising on YouTube saying that, oh, you should sell on Amazon because I made $1 million in a month. You should go ahead and sell on Amazon. Buy my course, that's $1,000. And I promise you that you will make the same amount of money I made. I wish that was true, but in reality it's not. It's a whole scam, and that's just people that are just trying to rip you off and just take your money. So definitely don't think that you're gonna be rich quick. You can definitely get rich. It just has to take time. Like any other business, it takes time. It takes time and consistency and self-discipline for you guys to actually grow this business. And the sixth point, it's actually treat it like a business. Baby this thing. Give your all. You guys have your hard-earned invested money into this, and just treat it like a business. You're going to be a business owner when you're doing this. Congrats on taking the next step. The seventh point is don't think it's going to be easy. It is not easy, I'll tell you that. It gets better once you have your products listed and everything, but the beginning process, it's a lot to take in and it's a lot to learn. And like everybody, you're probably gonna make a mistake. I made a few mistakes myself and I've learned from it, and this is why I'm doing these videos, so you guys can go ahead and not make the mistakes that I made. The eighth point is to have fun. Have fun while you're doing this, because at the end of the day, this is gonna be your job. I treat this that this is gonna be my future. I want to build around this, then I want to buy properties, I want to do affiliate marketing, I want to do all these things, but this is going to be the base of it, and I just want to have fun with it. I love coming out with product ideas. I love bundling products. I love seeing the reviews, the positive reviews that people love the product, and you just want to go ahead and just have fun with it. Don't stress about it, don't think negative thoughts about it, just go ahead and have fun with it. Alright guys, the last step that I wanted to talk about is to not compare yourself to others. Do not compare your success to others, because it is not the same. It is not the same journey. They have probably been in the business and in the ball game longer than you have, and that's why they have that amount of success. But it does not mean that you're not being successful. And just because you're earning $500 in profit a month does not mean that you're not being successful, because I'm earning $5,000 a month. You're being successful. You're earning $500 that you did not have. That is success in my eyes, and it should be success in your eyes, because at the end of the day, you guys are just gonna keep growing that product. You're gonna keep reordering, and maybe the next month you're gonna make $1,000 in profit. Then the next month $3,000 in profit. The next month $5,000 in profit. So it's all a process. We all have our own journey, and do not compare your success to my success or other people's success, because it is your journey, it is your time, it is your business, and everybody has different results. And the results come with the consistency and the discipline that you put into this business. So that was all the points I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Just leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it costs nothing. So if you guys can help me out with that, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.